Hey, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Marzia's subscription box, and this is for the fall quarter, and this theme is the mountain box, and it's in collaboration with Sarlisart as well. And here I can show you first off is the packaging, and it's really cute. We have all these little doodles by Sarlis on it, and I'll include her link in the description to her Instagram. But let's go ahead and jump right into the box. The first product in the box is a product by Juice Beauty. The Juice Beauty Photo Pigment Cream Shadow Stick. Shimmering color packed with plant-derived photo pigments delivers seamless blendability for shading lids and outlining eyes. Powered by Juice Beauty's age-defying serum technology, it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Can be applied sheer or built up for a dramatic effect. Contains the Juice Beauty Moisturized Powder Blend, Vegetarian Glycerin Sunflower Wax, and Salicylics to increase skin hydration. I received my color in 14 Haze, and as you can see from what I did on my hand, you can easily blend it out, or you can also build it up by adding another layer on top of the one that you already blended out. Next we have the Verb Hydrating Mask. Verb Hydrating Mask is a weightless conditioning treatment designed to nourish all hair types. Use weekly to restore color treated overstyled hair or to add shine and softness. Next we have another product by the Verb, and this is the Leave-In Mist. It is the essential step between washing and styling, is a must-have for kids with unruly hair. This formula moisturizes, detangles, nourishes, soothes, and tames frizz, repairs ends, adds shine, prevents breakage, enhances elasticity, protects from heat, preps for styling. And next we have a product by Chorus, and this is the Pomegranate Balancing Cream Gel Moisturizer. A lightweight moisturizer with properties to reduce the look of pores while leaving skin soft, hydrated, and balanced. Next we have a toothbrush from Mabel. These toothbrushes retail for $10. They are 100% biodegradable bamboo, crafted from sustainably harvested bamboo, naturally antibacterial and water resistant, non-toxic and BPA-free nylon bristles, vegetable-based paint, modern self-standing design, and eco-friendly packaging, 100% compostable. Next we have a product from Briogeo, Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This product is for those with dry, damaged, and chemically treated or lifeless hair, and it is an intensive weekly treatment to restore essential hydration and enhance hair's resilience to protect against future damage. Next we have a product from Fran Wilson, and this is the Mood Matcher Lipstick. This is a 12-hour long-wear lipstick with clinically proven staying power and moisturizes benefits of aloe and vitamin E. Color changes upon application, locks in color, no touch-ups needed. You can eat, drink, smooch, and smile without smudging, feathering, blending, or fading, and it's waterproof. I got mine in the orange shade, and ignore this. This is still from the swatch from before. And it comes off as a really pretty light pink color. Next in the box we have a fun pair of socks. I like that she included a product like this because it's like most of my socks are short socks, so I don't really have any long ones to wear with my boots, so this is a cool thing to get in this. Next in the box we have a tea towel, and this is the second tea towel I've gotten from Marzia, and I love these. I still use my first one that has like the little monster on it. I think it was from a few boxes ago, and I love it, and it's still in great condition. This one's really cute too. I feel like it'll go well with like autumn decor, so I'm really excited to get another tea towel. Next in the box is a promo for Ebates if you want to get cash back when starting your account. And then lastly we have a piece of artwork by Sarlis herself. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll have everything linked below with their prices as well down in the description box, as well as a link to Marzia's channel, and then a link to Saralis's Instagram as well. And I'm sorry if I'm not saying your name right, I hope I am. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!